sorry guys. Hey guys, today I'm doing a squishing video, and I'm only doing 4 because I only have 4 squishies, which I'm sad about that, but I really don't care. Like, I really don't. And can I get this video to 400 likes? I mean, thumbs up and likes. So let's go straight into the video. Bam! First one is this donut, which I love it. It's this cute little keychain. This cute little keychain on it. And look at that. Just look at that. Just look at that. Look at it. It's so pretty. It's so cute. Okay, it has little sprinkles around it and some blue dye on it. Squish it. Let's squish it. Oh, it makes a noise. Love it. Look at the back. I love it. Next squishy! Ice cream cone. Hello Kitty ice cream cone. Let's squish. Nope. Nope. Just look at that. Just look at that. Cone. Look at that. Just look at that. Serving my nails, yeah. I couldn't pick them. Just look at that. Just look at that. So cool. Okay, next one. Oh my god, it's my favorite. Unicorn squishy. I have a pop socket that's also a unicorn. Love it. Let's squish the wings. Tail. Squish it. Love it. Milk carton. Oh my god. That's so sorry. That's so sorry. Bye guys. Subscribe. Remember to give me 4